Hi guys, in this video we are going to create a nice image masking effect for your website. There are many shapes you can use and it also includes animation. What does the video look like? Keep watching until end and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, for first time, we need to install plugin add plugin and type Essential Add-on. This is the plugin Essential Add-ons for Elementor and click activate it, and then we can go Essential Add-on, click and go to extension, click and scroll down. You need to activate image masking. Activate image masking. Then I have page like this and we will create from scratch. Click plus and short widget. We can type image, drag here, click, choose image, for example this, select and go to advanced, scroll down, select image masking, enable image masking and select image or SVG masking. You can choose shape like this or 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 like this, like this, like this. Many shapes you can use, like this, 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 or like this. You can use flip cut like this, like this, like this, like this, or like this. Scroll up. You can use this feature like this only for Pro. The name is morphing. Click this. Image masking and morphing. Click. For Pro version, you can check link in the description below. Scroll down. You can choose blob or brush like this or diamond like this. I prefer blob like this. Wow, cool.
Okay, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so I can make more videos like this. Thank you.